Have you ever spent hours trying to learn something, only to realize the next day you've forgotten almost everything? What if I told you there's a method so powerful that it can make you truly understand anything and remember it for years? Today, I'm going to show you the Feynman technique, a system used by some of the smartest people in the world to learn anything faster, deeper, and easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to master any concept, topic, or skill in just 4 simple steps. The first step of the Feynman technique is simple. Pick a concept you want to learn. This could be anything, from quantum physics to how photosynthesis works, or even a tricky math formula. The idea is to start with something specific that you don't fully understand yet. Once you choose your topic, you write down everything you know about it on a blank piece of paper. Why this works? By trying to explain it from scratch, you quickly identify the gaps in your understanding. Most people think they understand a topic until they try to explain it out loud, and that's when the real weaknesses show up. So grab your notebook, write the topic at the top, and prepare to teach it to yourself. The second step is the magic of the Feynman technique. Explain the concept as if you're teaching it to a child. This means using simple language, avoiding jargon, and breaking complex ideas into easy to digest pieces. Why it works. If you can't explain something simply, you don't truly understand. Think of it as translating a foreign language into words a 10-year-old could grasp. The trick is to really simplify without skipping the core logic. You can even speak out loud, pretend you're giving a mini lesson to an imaginary student, or record yourself. This forces your brain to restructure the knowledge in a clear, logical way. Step 3 is all about finding the gaps in your knowledge. While explaining the concept, you'll inevitably stumble over parts that feel fuzzy or incomplete. Maybe there's a formula you don't fully get, or a cause and effect relationship that's confusing. This is actually a good thing. It shows you exactly what to focus on. The next part is critical. Go back to your source material, textbooks, or notes and fill those gaps. Once you've reviewed, return to your child explanation and refine it. Repeat this cycle until every part of your explanation feels natural and clear. The genius here is that you're actively confronting what you don't know, rather than passively reading or memorizing. The fourth and final step is to simplify and use analogies. Even after filling gaps, the Feynman technique asks you to go one step further. Make your explanation even simpler and connect it to real-world examples. Analogies make abstract ideas concrete and make them stick in your memory. For example, if you're learning about electricity, you might compare it to water flowing through pipes. This step transforms your knowledge from something you just memorized to something you can intuitively understand and apply in any situation. Once you can do this, congratulations, you've mastered the Feynman technique